Welcome to your peaceful Parkton haven, where every morning begins with the mist gliding over the beautiful rolling hills. Each day reliable, dependable, and yet its own. Because while 17914 Foreston Road is likely the place you'll call home, in truth, every day will feel like your own private retreat. Let's take a closer look at what makes this home feel like your own special sanctuary. So as soon as you walk in this home, there are some really amazing details you're gonna notice. But for me, the biggest one, it's the custom designer kitchen. I mean, this is a really beautiful space because they seem to have thought of absolutely everything. Like, obviously you have this gorgeous island, but it's more than that. It's the 2.5-inch waterfall Calacatta quartz countertops. It's the two-toned shaker cabinets. You know, you've got the light gray on the lowers, you've got your microwave built into the lower island, but then you've got the white shakers up atop. And then think about this. I mean, these backsplashes, you don't find the detail in many homes, especially in Parkton, that was put in to this backsplash. And then the big one for me, it's the gold. The way they brought the gold into the poles, the fixtures, and even the lighting at the top, but also inside the lighting above your sink and your island, it's just super special and honestly incredibly well thought out. You've got your custom hood range here, just really things that, again, you just don't see everywhere. You don't see in any and every home. And then obviously you have the one-offs that everyone hopes for and you're getting in this home, like the stainless steel appliances, the beautiful flooring throughout, and then folks, the natural light. I mean, the natural light just bellows into this home and really it pulls you into this space. And this is your entertainment space. But it's so much more than that, because as you flow through this space, you've got the fireplace, that electric fireplace that's pushing heat throughout the house in the winters. You've got the views. Imagine your beautiful summer days where the sun is rising right in front of your home. It's setting over the back of your home. Imagine the winters where you've got your fireplace here, but then also you've got snow just settling down and there's so many beautiful windows where you're really picking everything up. This home screams not only entertainment, but it also says sit down, relax, and enjoy. I love personally this walkout because off the back of this house, you've got this deck that almost spans the entire rear side of the house, and your views, they're incredible. It's literally views from every direction. So for me, anything I want to do here, any feeling that I want to pull in, any activity, anywhere I want to be, well, ultimately, I want to be right here, home. And there's so much more. You've got 2 bedrooms here, another gorgeous bathroom, and wait until you see this primary suite. It's gonna knock your socks off. In fact, I think we need to go check it out right now. And then after that, I've got a special surprise for you right downstairs. Come on, let's check it out. So you've seen the 2 guest bedrooms and you've also seen the beautiful guest bathroom. What I absolutely love about this home is the primary suite. As soon as you walk into the primary suite, something takes over. You feel home. You feel like every detail was thought of. From the fireplace sitting directly across from your bed, to the views out of the bedroom, to the walk-in closet, and especially your custom ensuite bathroom. Every detail, again, was thought of. The beautiful tile work, the gorgeous sink, the fixtures, the incredible soaking tub, to the towel warmer. Again, every detail well thought of. This home is so much more than that. This home is exactly what we said. It's a retreat. It's a sanctuary. Here's the thing, there's so much more this home has to offer. So let me show you a special surprise. Let's head downstairs to the basement. So I mentioned to you that this basement had a really special surprise to it, and I'm about to get there. But first, let me sort of explain to you what I really love about it. And for me, it's all this space. As you can see, this basement has some really, really great size to it. I mean, think about it. There's so much you can do here, from entertaining to setting up a theater room area, I don't know, ping pong, pool tables, playroom for, I don't know, friends, children, anything you want. Not only that, but it's got a walkout separate entrance. Really, it fits and checks all the boxes. But remember this, upstairs you saw 2 guest bedrooms and a primary suite and an extra full bathroom. But down here in the basement, you have another full bathroom and another legal bedroom. And that's the surprise I wanted to talk with you about, because in the end, this house has 4 full bedrooms and 3 full bathrooms. A full basement spanning the entire footprint of the house, a 2-car attached garage, a separate 1-car detached garage, and again, every detail well thought out. Every detail custom. Everything you could ever want, it's right here on Foreston Road, right here in Parkton. Folks, welcome home. This is your home. It's time. Let's make it your home. So there is obviously so much happening at this home, and it's one of the reasons I absolutely love it. We didn't even really get into all the land that this home comes with. And I point and I'm showing you because there's just about 2.5 acres of land that you get with everything that we've already talked about. Guys, this is what you get in Parkton, Maryland, when it really, truly matters. When you're ready to call this place home, when you're ready to schedule your tour, reach out to us. You can reach us at 443-323-1965. Either call me, Phil Gertis, reach Riley White, or Alex Archer. We are the Gertis team with Real Broker. We'll see you soon. Thank you.